Hello everyone, welcome to Install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install Kaspersky on Windows 11 PC. Kaspersky is a very popular antivirus tools and it is also cybersecurity protection tools. So now I go to my browser and I search Kaspersky. sky.com. So I hit enter. So I land the Kaspersky cybersecurity that always a step ahead. So I log into my account and I click on sign in. So it is my subscription details, Kaspersky Plus subscription for one device. So I click on this and I click on this download button. So this is the setup file I need to download. So I minimize my browser and click on start. So download is completed. So I close this. So I double click on Kaspersky Plus setup file. So installation is starting. It is now setting up components. So I click on continue and it asks me permission. I click on yes. Thank you for watching this video. If you watched this video on YouTube, please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you watched this video on Facebook, please hit the like button and also follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video.